So this question will probably come up once again in an interview, and it's regardless of industry or setting or even level of experience for the position. Now, what the employer wants to see from this is, what is your actual biggest strength? Have you actually, done something well above your sort of pay grade as well? If you've covered for a manager or you've run a team where you actually weren't a team leader, establish that in the answer. And once again, it's an evidential answer as well. So you want to give an example, 2, 3 points why actually you're the best fit for the role. Now, what the employer wants to see is there any sort of added value you can bring into the team? So if it's, let's say, a digital marketing position, you want to talk about what websites you've ranked, how you've driven traffic as well, what you've done to do this, and anything that sets you apart from anyone else. For example, myself, I'm quite strong in the digital marketing. So, previously, in a few years back, I actually ranked a website within 2 weeks, and it was for not so much a competitive keyword, but I was actually able to rank it quite fast as well. And I've built a system around how I actually do that, and I implement it into all of my sort of websites and social pages that I actually build as well. So you want to answer it something along those lines and be clear with it. A strength isn't, something that you're hardworking. Don't answer the question like you're very hardworking, you're dedicated to your job, because there's no substance to those answers and they're regarded as quite weak as well. And everyone's going to say that in the interview. If you go in there and you start to evidence your actual work that you've done in the past, whether it be your education, how you was the top performer, or you performed very well in that sort of subject, or in your past role you've covered for managers as well, so you've got an inside knowledge, more scope on the business, and you've got an understanding of what needs to be done in a more junior position.